Hi, I'm Danny DeVito.
I'm Raven Simone.
Patrick Warburton.
Harvey Firestein.
Sylvester Stallone.
Wallace Shawn.
Kara Strong.
Gilbert Gottfried.
Lydia Rose Taylor.
Kevin Grievous.
James Arnold Taylor.
Ian McKellen.
Hi, I'm Emily Blunt. I am the voice of Zoe.
And I'm John Krasinski, the voice of Owen in the new animated movie Animal Crackers, which we are very excited to show you the world premiere of the trailer.
Prepare yourself for something truly magical.
What happened to that wide-eyed kid who used to love the circus?
He grew up. I'm eating dog biscuits for a job. Hey, old Blue, what do you have here? That's kind of weird. Old animal crackers? I'm a hamster!
Daddy's cute.
Thank you, Angel.
We're going to the circus!
How do these things work?
It's magic. You're special, kid. Your uncle saw that. You are now the proud owners of one rundown circus.
This is what you've always wanted. I mean, this is your future. This is our future.
This isn't a future. Everything that was special about this circus is gone.
When's this gonna end?
Can't be soon enough.
They didn't come here to see acrobats.
I have to do something.
Like what?
Animals.
Get me those animal crackers. I will use them to rule the world.
Make people happy.